A young monk once asked his master, "Master, how can I understand the truth of life?" And the master said, "Go and listen to the sound of one hand." The student was confused. Every day he sat in the temple gardens, listening carefully. He heard the wind moving through the bamboo, the rain falling gently on the old tiled roof, the distant bell echoing across the valley. But none of these was the sound of one hand. Weeks turned into months. Again and again, he came to his master with answers. And each time the master only said, "Not yet." One silent night, as the young monk sat alone in meditation, he suddenly understood. The truth was not in sound at all. It was in the silence itself. He went to his master, bowed deeply, and remained silent. The master smiled and said softly, "Now, you have truly heard it.